Greetings Marco here. We're going to be looking at how we can insert a photo in this Microsoft Word document here. Very important. So I'm going to be guiding you through this particular process and how you can actually insert a photo in this document here. Very important. So the first thing that we wanted to do, we want to come all the way up here. If you notice, we have the File tab, we have the Home tab, the Insert, and all these are tabs. So we want to click on the Insert tab. So when you click on Insert tab, what you will see, you see the ribbon. Within the ribbon, you see group. Illustration is one group right here. Table is one group. Page is one group, and all of that. So what we want to focus on right here is picture or online picture. But where we want to go is right here. So this picture will take us here on our desktop. So while I click on that, it will take me to the desktop right here. So I can actually select anything from out here. But what I wanted to do, scroll up. I want to click right here on the desktop. When I click here on the desktop, you notice it gives me some more options right here, some more photos. So I'm going to click on this one. You notice as soon as I highlight it, you see I'm going to click up right here. So I'm going to click insert right here. So when you click on insert right here, there you go with the photo. But if you notice when you come out, it can't move. Alright, so what I wanted to do to move it, you have to wrap text it. So you click on the photo, you're going to right click. You notice this is set to the wrap text. When you come across, you notice you can either carry through, put it on tight, top or bottom, and wrap text. Right, there's another way you can actually do that. You can come right up here, in your ribbon here, that's it. Arrange, above arrange, you're going to click. You can actually do the same thing. Right, so if you notice and do that, now I can actually move it up and down. But I also can come right here and actually rotate it just like that, that's the same. Yes, and I can come right here now, hold on the left side of the mouse side touchpad and zoom it in like that. And I can carry it right down, just like that. Notice, hold it down, I'm going to carry it right in. Notice there you go with my photo right here. But there's a whole lot of things I can actually do. If I come over here and put the mouse over here, you notice, just pay attention to the outer background here, the border. Notice you give it a nice frame right here. It's nice, but if I come right at this little pointer right here, right there's some more, I can actually put it in just like that. Notice the frame, you can actually turn it, but not only that, you can put border. Notice we are still in style, you come right with the border, gonna click. You notice right here, you can come down here, so to it, you notice around the border here. Notice we go like this, notice, that's the same, right here. So what we want to do, we can also copy the picture, you can right click on it, you can come right here, you can copy it, you can cut it, you can paste it, right here like that. Good. Let me go back again, copy, up here, I'm going to right click, notice this is set with the paste option, right here, we're going to click on it, just like that, notice, right. Good, notice right up here, it's both of them, but you have to wrap text them just the same, we're going to right click, we're going to come all the way here, right, we're going to do this for this one, just the same, wrap text it, right, so if you notice, this one move, and this one move. So I want one more to tap it up. So just untap the right click and then click paste. Alright, and then we're going to wrap text it just like that. And then we're going to put it into place just like that. Let me scroll up a bit some more. Alright, so we're going to put it right here. Let me size them down a little smaller. So everything can actually show. Alright, it's very important there. This one right here. Let me cut down some more. Alright, good. Now we're getting somewhere with them now. Alright, let me carry this one in some more, just the same. Right here, let me drag down this one. I'm going to carry this in some more, just like that. Good. Right, so we're going to actually put it right here. We're going to put this one close to it like that. We're going to put this one like that. We're going to put like that. Right, good. So if you notice, we have the four of them right here. So what we wanted to do is to group them. But all we're going to group them. All of this we can actually do right here. So notice I'm putting them close to one another, just like that. Good. And if I hold on a shift key, notice notice this one highlight, hold on shift key. I can click all of them, highlight all of them. Good, I'm going to come up here, that's it, format. If I click on format and I come like this, right, you notice all four photos. If I come like this, you notice how all four photos, if I come all the way back in here, you notice this is how it actually looks. Then all of them one time, you notice how this one actually looks. Looking nice so far. Good, but I want to group them. You notice arrange. But you notice right up here it says group. If I come right here and I click, I can actually come like that. Good. And if I come like this, you notice everybody moves same time. Yes, what if I want to give it a nice style? I can come back right here. You notice? I can come like this. I can come just like that. You notice? I can come like that. And I can just come like this. Just the same. You notice? Everybody just like that. Right? If I come up here to border, right, we can come down here and can, you notice? Give a nice border right here. So if I click on that one, I'm going to come back again to border. Then go down to dashes. Right? You notice? Right? Nice. Here. So that's it exactly how we can actually do it. You notice everything actually move. So this is exactly how we can actually do photo exactly inside here in the Microsoft Word. You can put it in any style, any fashion you want it to do, put it in and all of that. And you can even come right here and actually scroll it down like that. You can even right click on it and I copy. You can also paste this one right here, just the same. You notice you can actually paste this one, so just gonna wrap text it, just the same, just like that. So you actually have two sets. So one set right here, the middle look like passport size, right? And just like that. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video here. So let's share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.